How to buy Solana on Binance. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to purchase Solana on Binance mobile application. For that, open your Binance app, and over here you need to make sure that you have some USDT in your account in order to purchase Solana, because on Binance or any other exchanges we usually use USDT, USDC or these types of currencies in order to purchase any of the coins. So since we want to purchase Solana, you need to use the search bar in the top, or what you can do is on the home page you can go to the hot section and tap on view more. Now tap on the Solana section, and here you will be landed on the Solana/USDT pair, where you will be able to see its chart and its current price. Now in order to buy it, tap on the green buy option in the bottom, and here you need to make sure that you are in the buy section. Now select the limit order if you want to select your own price, or you can, if you want to purchase it on the current price, then you can even tap on the drop down menu and select the market price. After that, you need to use the slider, and it will automatically take some percentage from your wallet in the form of USDT, and it will show you the equivalent amount of Solana that you will get. After that, tap on the buy sol option. Once done, your order will be placed and it would be in the open orders because you have selected the limit order. Once your order is filled, you will be able to get Solana in your Binance account. Now in order to view your balance, tap on the wallet option in the bottom right hand corner and select the spot option. Over here in the balances, you will be able to see all of the cryptocurrencies that you own, including the Solana that you have recently purchased. Once you tap on it, you will be able to see all of the details like the available amount, your today's PNL, the average cost, etc. So with the help of this section, you can easily manage your purchases on Binance. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.